Hi, good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Marjorie Magay Kakachan, 30 years old, and I was born on May 7, 1994. I am married and been blessed with one daughter at the age of 9 years old. I live in Albabagaw, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am trustworthy, cheerful, patient, and loving woman. I serve 5 members in a family, 2 adults, 2 children, and one newborn baby since 2017 until 2020. And now I'm still currently working here at Saudi Arabia and serving seventh member in a family, 6 adults and one elderly. My main duties is to clean the house, wash the clothes, iron the clothes, cook food for them. I feed the elderly. I take her medicine. I take a bath her. I sleep over with her because she couldn't walk alone. And I have a small garden here. I can work with or without coworker, and I can work under time. If you choose me, sir, as your domestic helper, I'll be good and I do all my best for your better helper. Thank you and God bless, ma'am and sir.